Hello friends, I'm going to explain the problem in Queens which is in our video syllabus for the 4th semester for both IS and computer science branch, and I hope you know the question. So if you don't know that, go through the syllabus book and check it there. And so let's begin with the problem here. We have three header files, that is stdio, conio and math.h. stdio is for standard input output, we generally need that, and conio you can avoid this is just optional for you, and math.h is compulsory because we are using one function abs here which is absolute value, so we're gonna need that math.h. And after that we have this array A of 30 and count 0. This array A of 30 is the matrix which stores where the queen is to be placed on particular row, and in this the index of this array is used as the row value, the column is used as the value, that is where the queen is to be placed. And hence we come to the main function. Here we have one variable, that is n. I is not required here, we can avoid this. And then in this n will store the number of queens, and we have to enter the number of queens for which we want the result. Now if we have 4 queens, then we require a 4x4 chessboard, so that which will look like this. So yeah, this is 4x4 chessboard, and this will store the values for queens, the 4 queens. So if we enter, by chance if we enter 4 there, so the n value will become 4, and we'll send the value 4 to queen function. Now let's see where the queen function is. Here it is. So now in this we have one integer k. Now what is this k? This k is the queen number. So k equal to 1 means that we are talking about the first queen. Now a of k means that we are storing the first queen on the 0th column. Now all of us know that the first queen has to be placed in the first row itself, second queen will be in the second row, third queen will be in the third row. So we know what k stores is. K stores the value of the row, alright. So and this a of k stores the value of column. Now while k not equal to 0, now this we have to see, because in backtracking we lead to a position at the end of the solution that we go to k not equal to 0, k equal to 0. So we'll see this after we come throughout the result. So now in this, do a of k plus plus. So basically first step we have to do is a of k plus plus. Okay, now let me show you how the array A looks like. The array looks like this. Now array A is this one, and these are the index values 1 2 3 4 up to n, and the value inside will be the row value. So this will be the rows, and these are the column values. Okay, these are the row values, and inside this is column values. Now we come back to the problem. Here a of k plus plus means that we are talking about the first queen, which was k equal to 1, and we are placing it in first column. So a of k is equal to 1 now, so we'll check if we can place it in the first position. So we'll see that while a of k is less than n and not place of k. Now what is this a of k less than n? This means that if we are still having some columns left, till then we have to go through this loop, and this not is saying that if we cannot place it here, keep going through the do loop. Now we'll see what this place function is. Now we'll go to the place function. Now this place function checks if we have another queen placed in the same column or in the same diagonal. Okay, now in this we have one integer I, and this will check if we have a queen in the same column. Okay, so now this is the value of the current queen we are talking about. So yes, this one will be no, this is the queen which we have placed in the first row, but for the first case we haven't placed anything yet, so we'll directly come out of the loop and return 1, which means that we can place the queen at first row and first column. So we'll come back to this place, and we have the value of a of k is equal to 1. So now till a of k is less than n, yes it is, and if k is equal to n, now this if will check if we have placed all the queens. Now since we haven't placed all the queens, we cannot print the solution, so we come to the else part. Now we have placed one queen there. Now we'll go to k plus plus. Initially k was 1, so now we'll talk about the second queen. So we'll go to the second queen and we'll initialize its column value to 0. Alright, now since this if has been executed, we won't go for this else. Now again we go to the loop. We see that k is not equal to 0 because k is 2 right now. Now we go to the do loop. Now this will increment the value of a of 2 to 1. Okay, now a of, okay, I'll edit in this one. The value of the first queen is in the first column, and in the matrix this will become the queen. Alright, now we have come to the second column. Okay, now we are in the while. Now a of k is less than or equal to n, yes, and not place of k. Now k is 1, so in the place we have passed the value 1. Now we'll go to the place function. We'll see the position equal to 1. Now a of I, if a of I is equal to position 1, which means that a of 1, what is a of 1? A of 1 is 1. If it is equal to a of position, now what is a of position we had taken? It was also 1. So this condition has been satisfied and will return 0. So now if it gets 0, then we'll again go through this loop. Now a of k will increment by 1 and it will become 2. Now it is 2, and again we'll go back to the place. Now this place function, in this place function, this part will not be satisfied this time, but this one, which is a of I minus a of position. Now a of I was what? A of I was 1. Okay, yeah, a of I was 1 and a of position is 2. So now absolute value we'll get it as this part will equal to 1. Now absolute value of I comma position, now I is 2 and position equal to 1. So now these two things will be equal, so again we'll return 0. So even at the second position we cannot place the second queen. Now we'll increment this again, and then again we'll check if it can be placed, and this time none of these conditions will be satisfied and we'll place it in the third position, and this will become the queen. Alright, after that, since this if statement has been executed, we won't come to this. Then we'll go back to the while loop. We'll check k, yeah, k is not equal to 0. Then again come back here, starting from first column. We'll check if we can place it in the first column. No, we cannot, because we already have a queen in the same column. Then in the second one, no, we cannot place because diagonally we have this. Then again we have in the same column, and then diagonally we have a problem. So in this third column we cannot place the queen anywhere, so we have a change of flow here. Since this do while loop did not get successful and this a of k reached 5 because all the 4 position did not satisfy. So now we have reached 5. So since this one won't be executed, we'll come back to the else part. Now k minus minus means we'll go to the second row. In the second row we'll delete the position of the queen and then again place it on the other position. So the loop moves like that and we delete this queen and place it here. Now again we come to the third row, we check if we can place it there. No. Here, yes, we can place it here, so we'll place it there. Now after placing it there, we check here, no, we cannot place in either of these. Then here, no, we cannot place because we have a queen here. Now we again backtrack the solution, we delete this queen, we then check can we place the queen here. No. Here, no. Then we backtrack once again, we delete this queen. Now since we cannot move any further, we delete the first queen as well. So all the queen has been deleted now. Now this queen, we'll check if we can place a queen here. Yes, we can place it there. Then after this, let us redraw the thing again. So we have a queen there. Now can we place the second queen here? No. Yes, we can place it here. After this, we'll check, come to the next row. And this, can we place it here? Yes, we can place it here. Then after this, we come to the next. Can we place it there? No. There? No. But yes, here. So we have one solution here. Now this condition will be satisfied in this if loop. If k is equal to n, we'll print the solution. Now let us see how the print solution works. Now in this, we have one count variable. This count variable will store the solution number. Initially we had the count set at 0. So now since it has been incremented, it will come to 1. Now we'll print solution number %t count. So we'll have solution number 1. 2 for loops I and j. Now if we'll check that a of I, that is the column number is equal to the current column. Is it equal to the current column? If it is equal to the current column, we'll print it as q. If it is not equal to the current column, we'll print it as star. So what solution we get is we had a queen here, this place, and this place, and rest all will become stars. So this is the solution we are going to get, and hence this is how the n queens work. And yes, this program will work recursively and find all the possible solutions with the count number. And yes, so this is how it goes through. Thank you.